All right, hello and welcome back for another round of mystery problem. So you all need to put on your detective hats. Put them on. Awesome. All right, so this one is a three-part problem. And you can try all three parts, but the first part is the part that should be fairly easy to figure out. Okay, and this is the one that I'm going to really challenge you to explain your strategy to a caretaker that's helping you with this. All right, today we are going to use Emilia. I have recently learned that Emilia loves Lego, and I was really excited because Quinlan, who is joining us, say hi, Quinlan. Hi. He also loves Lego. So Emilia wants to build a spaceship, and the directions of this spaceship Lego set says that she should have 12 pieces. It's small. She should have 12 pieces to build this ship. Okay? So here she is, and she's got this table in front of her, and she's ready to rock and roll. She's serious Lego builder. Serious. Okay, and she opens up the bag, and how many pieces should be there? 12, that's right. But she counted all the pieces, and there were only 7 pieces. So the manufacturer messed up. They did not send her all of the pieces for this Lego set. So she needs to write to Lego, and she needs to say, hey, y'all, you messed up. You sent me an incomplete packet. I need a refund, or I need a new Lego set. And she needs to tell them how many pieces were missing. So let's figure that out. You can pause the problem here. I'm going to go over it again just to look at the clues, okay? We know that, I'm just going to make a brain bubble. We know that she should have 12 pieces of Lego in this set, but she only has 7. So a clue is she should have 12. She only has 7. And if some are missing, what are we talking about here? Subtraction, that's right. So pause your video here. Use your cubes to figure out your strategy, like Quinlan's going to do. Talk about it. And if you want to continue on to problem or to step 2, or hear a strategy that Quinlan has used, then you can tune back in. But I'm going to pause the video as we figure it out. Okay, so we're back. Quinlan has figured out the mystery, and he's going to solve his mystery problem with everybody. All right, Quinlan, what's your strategy?
I put down 7, and then took some more, and then counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I took some out and then counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I counted the rest that was missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 5 missing.
Yeah, this is a great strategy, and it's not one that I would think of, because what Quinlan did was he put all of the 12, no, first he started with 7, right? So I'm actually going to write this in the number sentence. So first, Quinlan started with 7. He knew that that's how many Emilia had, right? So he started with 7. And then he started to count up, right? He started adding, so he added cubes until he got to 12. And then he broke off some, made sure he still had 7, and then he counted the rest, which was 5. So he knew that what was a question mark before, 7 plus 5, which is the mystery answer, is 12. That is one of the number sentences that you could have written. You could also have started with the other clue that we had. And I know some of you did this, used this strategy. You could have started with what, Quinlan? 12. You could have started with 12. Show me 12. He has them right there. And then you could have broken off, what? 7. And then counted what you had left, which would have been 5. So you could have used addition or subtraction to solve this problem.
I just did so try.
All right, we're going to pause here. This is the end of the first part of this problem. So congratulations. All right, welcome back for the second part of this problem. Okay, now that we know that the answer was 5 missing pieces, she writes to Lego and she says, excuse me, friends, Lego people, I was missing 5 pieces in my Lego set. So she sends that letter. They send a letter back over here at corporate. Oh dear, there's a little girl who's disappointed because we messed up. All right, we got to make this better or she'll never buy Lego again. Okay, we're going to send her a new set of the spaceship. And you know what we should do to make it up to her? We're going to send her another set as a gift for messing up. Okay, and it's going to be the base that the spaceship is supposed to land in. So they sent her a package in the mail. And they sent her in this package a box of the Lego set that they messed up, all pieces, all 12. And they sent her a base ship, like a base that the ship can land in. And that Lego piece has 30 pieces in it. Okay? Now, she is so excited. She's like, what? And she just throws herself into it and builds the spaceship, and she also builds the base. And now her question is, how many pieces does she have altogether? How many Lego pieces does she have altogether? Let's look at the clues. We know that she had 12 as a spaceship, and we know that Lego gave her as a gift a base that had 30 pieces in it. So what do we need to do to add these, or what do we need to do to figure out how many pieces she has in all? That's right. Yeah, we need to add. We need to add them together. So I'm going to pause the video and give Quinlan a chance to figure this out. And we'll be back. Also, feel free to use other objects. You might not have enough cubes to do this, and you can use the tokens that I sent home or any object that you have a large quantity of. All right, friends, we're back with the answer of problem number 2. I hope you were able to share your strategy. Quinlan is going to share his strategy, and then we're going to go on to part 3, which is really tricky. Okay, go ahead, Quinlan, share your strategy. How'd you figure the answer out?
I got all these ones, which was the base.
How many was here?
Which was 1, 2.
Well, you actually counted by what?
10, 6,
20, 30.
That's 30, and then I got all the rest, and I got this one, and then added 2, and then put them all together, and then counted them, and then it was 40.
42. Yeah, that's right. Nice strategy. All right. Yeah, the answer is 42. So we did 30 plus 12 is the same as 42. Okay, so this is the third part of the problem. Now, this is the most challenging part, okay?
Which is not going to be challenging to me.
So, Emilia's friend, Uchenna comes over. And Uchenna really loves Lego too. And she heard that her friend has a whole spaceship and a spaceship base. And she said, oh my gosh, I actually have a bunch of Lego. I have a bunch of alien Lego. So she comes over with her set and she's like, let me add to your set. I've got a ton of these little alien Lego guys. So here she is wanting to play. Woo, 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 woo. And she brings her set over, adds all the Lego men in there, or men and girls, and men and women, boys and girls, they, them, this, all of them, all the pronouns. Sophia's holding me accountable here. And now Emilia has a total of 100 pieces in her Lego set with all of the Lego people and her spaceship and her Lego base. She has 100 pieces, okay? The question is, how many pieces did Uchenna give her? So we know that she had 42, right, before Uchenna came. We figured that out. And now she has 100. So 42 plus what is 100? I'm going to pause it. We're going to try to figure it out, and we'll come back and explain our strategy. Okay, we are back. Wow, that was a lot. We actually didn't have enough cubes. We needed to go find some other things. So we've just found some squares, pattern blocks. All right, Quinlan, do you want to explain your strategy?
I got all these and counted all the ones she had before.
Well, no. What did you start with? What did we start with?
This.
We started with
100.
Yep.
And then we took it apart and then I counted it. And then that's
what did you count?
Counted all the cubes.
We counted all of what? What was this?
All of the stuff she started off.
Which was 42.
42.
Yep, we counted 42.
And then I counted the rest
and you found that it was 50.
52.
It was
55.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 50.
3, 54, 55. It's 58.
Yes. We did 42 plus 58 is the same as 100. Oh my gosh. Uchenna was so generous. She gave her 58 Lego pieces to make up her Lego alien army. Wow, that 3-part problem was tough, but you rocked it out. High five. What? Nice job. I would love to hear your strategies. Emilia's mom actually sent me in a video of Emilia figuring out a strategy. Quinlan and I watched it, and it was awesome. I'm going to post it in our math section video so that you all can also add that strategy to your toolbox. Okay, until next time.
Mama.
See you later.